How to use hair color filter in FaceApp. First of all, open FaceApp on your device. Once the app is ready, take a new photo or upload one from your gallery by tapping the camera or photo icon. After your photo loads, scroll through the filter option at the bottom until you find the hair colors category. Tap on the hair colors filter to see various color options like black, red, brown, tinted, dark, and more. From the colored option, you can manually adjust the custom color. Select the hair color you want to apply, and FaceApp will automatically update your photo with the new color. Some hair color options may require a pro subscription, but there are free colors available as well. Once you find the perfect hair color, tap the save icon at the top right corner to save your edited photo to your gallery. Now you know how to use hair color filter in FaceApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.